If you need to reset your password on Digit, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Open the Digit app. Launch the Digit app on your mobile device. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth process. Step 2. Navigate to the login screen. On the app's main screen, look for the option to log in. Tap on it to proceed to the login screen where you will find the password entry field. Step 3. Select Forgot Password. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Src to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Digit account. Make sure it is correct, as this is where the password reset link will be sent. Step 5. Check your email and follow instructions. Open your email inbox and look for the password reset email from Digit. Click on the link provided in the email and follow the instructions to create a new password. Once you have reset your password, you can log into your Digit account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Digit's customer support for assistance.